Good girl, jump over it. Beautiful. Jump over that one. That's her showing she wants to come to, she wants to join up. Feet still, mouth on the floor, chewing. She's not going to let me approach, she's going to jump it. Go on then, jump again. Beautiful. And again, do the red one. No, I'm coming this way, you have to go the other way. Oh, she's coming in a... Good girl. Showing she wants to join up.